projection of a vector on another vector. So if these are two vectors, vector A and vector B, and theta be the angle between them. So to find the projection, first we need to draw a perpendicular from A vector. So now this becomes A, B and C. Now this AB is called the projection vector of A on vector B. Now how to find this value? How to find AB? Now A vector can be split into two parts, that is horizontal and vertical. In horizontal, we can write it as A cos theta. This is the this is the required projection or the length of the AB over here. So you might get a doubt ki how this projection becomes the application in dot product concept. So AB we got it as A cos theta. So when you multiply this with B and divide it with B, obviously here A and B are its magnitudes. So it becomes magnitude A, magnitude B and cos theta, which is nothing but A dot B upon magnitude of B. So in this way, dot product is used to find the projection of a vector. So the projection of A on B is nothing but we have just found, that is A dot B by magnitude of B. Now this B vector upon its magnitude is nothing but A vector dot B cap, which is nothing but the unit vector of B. So similarly, the projection of B on A is nothing but B dot A upon A magnitude. Now this A vector upon its magnitude can be written as A cap. So it becomes B vector multiplied with A cap. A cap is nothing but the unit vector of A vector.